Mahatma Gandhi NREGS cell of Bankura district has achieved something which is first of its kind in West Bengal and in India also. A brick manufacturing unit using fly ash has been made operational in Bankura 1 development block. It is a perfect example of convergence between Mahatma Gandhi NREGA and power sector using other funds as Backward Region Grant Fund, grants from State Finance Commission and Central Finance Commission, etc. The first fly ash brick production unit was established at Pachidanga in Kenjakura Gram Panchayat in Bankura 1 development block. The unskilled wage seekers and vulnerable families within the folks of Mahatma Gandhi NREGA got the opportunity of training in their own brick production unit. The fly ash of Mejia Thermal Power Station of Bankura district is used in this unit. We all know fly ash is hazardous product of power station and it is one of the main reason of water and environmental pollution of a locality. Honorable Supreme Court of India has given verdict to use compulsory fly ash bricks as construction material to avoid pollution and health problems. So the brick unit can get their raw material free of cost from the power plants. This is the perfect condition to go for construction of eco-friendly fly ash bricks under Mahatma Gandhi NREGA in convergence with other schemes. It can also open a new horizon of employment opportunity for unskilled wage seekers, and maximum construction-related works can be taken up within limited sources of fund. The main advantages of fly ash bricks are high compressive strength, lower water absorption, dimensional accuracy, high strength-to-weight ratio, consumption of less mortar in construction, conservation of natural resources like soil, sand, etc. The Pachidanga unit can produce 7,000 bricks per day in one shift. In spite of the transport cost of fly ash, the production cost of each brick is about 2.06 rupees, which appears to be a major breakthrough in devising low-cost technology and construction module in development and in the field of environment protection. Primarily, the unit is capable of producing over 36 lakh bricks in a year and if fully utilized, may produce over 75 lakh bricks. 50% of the bricks produced shall be used for construction work under Mahatma Gandhi NREGS itself. More specifically, it may be used for construction of school building, school boundary, individual household latrines, houses under Indira Awas Yojana, etc. The brick unit shall also be utilized for manufacturing paver block of different sizes and colors. All these benefits finally come together in the form of providing livelihood options to the people stuck in the vicious circle of poverty.
All these laborers who are employed in producing these bricks are getting around 100 days of full employment, and their wage component is being paid from the MG NREGS. Moreover, they are also getting an additional amount of, at present, 1,30,000 of income from these brick generation, as they are the owners of producing these brick unit factories. And at the same time, the Gram Panchayats will also get at present around 18 lakh of rupees per month, and that will be their own fund.
These fly ash bricks are not only providing employment opportunities directly to the job seekers, but also are being used for implementation of primarily Mahatma Gandhi NREGA, but at the same time for implementation of Indira Awas Yojana, where houses are being constructed, and also different other rural development programs. This is a very good initiative, which is a path-breaking one, and we are expecting that certain other districts will also immediately take up this kind of construction, especially the districts which are close to some thermal power plant. There it is easier to get the fly ashes, and it is easier to do this.
The long-term dream has started with a hope that one good deed will result in giving impetus to more of such works and will have a rippling effect of benevolent endeavors. This will bring a new era in low-cost industrial initiative, that is, maximum returns from minimal inputs, thus revolutionizing the rural infrastructure interventions.